I don't even know why you trying to eat cheeseburgers. Nah, let's take that. Anybody ate it?
What?
Chicken? Yeah, take it. Are you taking that chicken? Not yet. What's the place over there? Put it where? The box is over here. Spicy hot, is it?
No. You heard the post? You heard the bell?
I'm gonna turn light off.
Oh. Scared me just now, man.
That's that cold too. Nigga, you got the whole little pool right there. That's a split out this. He's sleeping. Well, I'm saying you can stop messing that shit. Catch all that shit on video. Stop. 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 Yeah, man. They never come out here at this time. Okay, where they even come from? And the phone with the rabbit got the gun. Still hot. You ain't feeling when you passing. Cook feels out there. Hot. Like that. You have to go hold it while you fighting. The real for that shit. No. I ain't gonna lie. I think if I lived out here, I probably wouldn't have picked up fishing. I don't know.
Lived out here?
Yeah. That's what I would have picked up.
That's crazy. That's what made me fish the waters that always come play here, seeing it fish out there.
Back in the days, the road used to be like down there, like a little bit more like by the cat right there. And I used to just come and bring him sandwiches and shit and beer and cigarettes and shit, right?
That's like you kept the fish clean.
Hell yeah. I would never stay out here. I would always bring them food and meat, right? Only sometimes I used to go on the rocks over there with them. I don't go on the rocks now. But back in the day, they used to go on the rocks. Catch me on the rocks, right?
Remember that?
Yeah, we dead. Even on the other side, he took me on the other side over there. Remember? Over on the rocks. Huh? Yeah, he took me on the other side over there. Yeah, that's what Shane was saying today. He said, I got to come tomorrow. I'll oldest over there. I said, all right.
You go fuck with the
You
folks.
gotta go there. That's all. You know, like this, I would have. Anytime me and the wife come out here, we should come talk to them.
We got one of those good fish.
Feed the bird, you have to roll like feed the bird.
We got two of them out there. Next time we come out here, another site, we'll go on in, we'll get that shit and we just go shoot around here in the water. Go out to the other side, get back to the safety.
Right over there.
They close Eastern Parkway up for the runners and shit.
That's what that was for?
Yeah.
You stopped posting it, right?
Yeah, we took Star out early, like early in the morning, like we were close to there. He said, what? He was the only one.
Turn around, go away to the other end. He wasn't like, what the fuck is that? They go way too far. Turn around. That nigga running with the runners, they give him 5 and so he racing them.
He racing them?
He's racing them? Yeah, he racing the runners, the ones on bikes and stuff.
He was some on bikes or some running. He couldn't believe he was in the street. He was like, hold up. He was like, yeah, I go to the street. You don't. You don't.
Yeah.
For the fire,
Go around. Play all day, then start walking like he hurt. He was looking like a third ball. He looked like a third ball. Yeah, he ran around that track. Think about it. 200 pounds.
He ran up and down. He just walked like 9 times.
Go down, man.
But imagine going up and down that track.
All right.
It's like the street.
Come on, come take a nap. Take a nap.
Yo, se what do I think? Two egg eggs.
I'm not missing nothing. I'm not missing nothing, though. Sure? Sit down. Stand up. Let me.
What is this day?
I'm over here recording. Watch, you can see me? See me?
Yeah. Say cheese.
Take a picture?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.